It's Maria's incredibly fresh and inventive gelato blends that have landed Fata Morgana on everyone's must-eat list.
Possiamo inventarci qualcosa con la ricotta romana, pecorino romano, fichi, il rosmarino e la salvia fatti infornati con l'aceto balsamico.
This is gorgeous.
Right?
I could just serve this on a platter.
I was just gonna say. Okay.
E versiamo un po' di miscela calda.
All right, so we're gonna let a little bit of the warm milk and sugar warm the cheese. Wow, warm the cheeses. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Smell it. This is like the custard of the base of the gelato. 5 minutes, it's done.
Wow, I like it.
Once the gelato is set and the figs have cooled down, it's time for one last step.
So you just like almost parfait it, right?
Yeah.
It's so good. The pecorino is so good.
Right? It's like soft serve
Yeah, with roasted figs.
Yeah, with like a fig caramel or something.
Yeah.